In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save open tabs when you close Chrome and continue where you left off. If you've ever been in the middle of research or juggling a bunch of pages and worried about losing everything when you shut your browser, this quick setting in Chrome will take care of it for you automatically. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the window and find the three-dot menu icon. It's sometimes called the More menu, and it sits right beside your profile picture and the extensions area. If you're using Chrome in full screen and don't see it, press Escape or Exit full screen so the menu appears. Go ahead and click that three-dot icon. From the menu that opens, click Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences. On the left side of that settings page, you'll see a navigation panel. Find and select On Startup. This section controls what Chrome shows each time you open the browser. Inside On Startup, choose the option labeled Continue Where You Left Off. It's a simple radio button, and once it's checked, you're done. From now on, Chrome will remember the tabs and windows you had open when you closed it, and it will bring them back automatically the next time you launch the browser. Here's what to expect. If you had multiple windows open, Chrome will restore those windows along with the tabs inside each one. Pinned tabs will come back pinned, just as you left them. This feature is designed for regular browsing. Private browsing sessions in incognito or guest mode won't be restored. Also, if you use tools or settings that clear cookies and site data on exit, sites may open, but you might be signed out, which is normal behavior for enhanced privacy. If Chrome ever closes unexpectedly, it often offers to restore your session the next time you open it, but enabling. Continue where you left off makes restoration automatic whenever you close Chrome normally. Keep in mind that after a large session, Chrome may take a moment to reload everything, especially if you had many tabs open. You can click into any tab you need immediately. Background tabs will finish loading as you work. That's all there is to it. With this one setting, you can close your browser with confidence and pick up right where you stopped. If your workflow changes later, you can return to the same On Startup section to adjust your preference. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother browsing experience without losing your place.